go. Ayana.
Alright guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Compliment of the Season. So guys, I saw a style that I like. I've seen like few celebrities slay that style and it's different and unique. Trust me, this style is different and unique, but the problem is me, I don't know whether I can tie it. So but let's tie it together. There's this thing I normally say, for you to be a good gele stylist, one thing you should know how to do is know how to interpret any gele you see. So with the interpretation I've got it from this gele, let's slay it. But this I'll be using a 50-50, and when you want to slay this kind of gele, I'll put the gele on the screen for you all to see the kind of gele so you know where we are heading to. Okay, for you to slay this type of gele, you should use at least from 75 to 90. 90 might be preferable, and you know how we measure from the second breast level to your tip of your head. So that's 75 from the shoulder. Okay, so we'll be doing a 50-50. So I'll pick from here to make my pleats. Okay, let me make my pleats. I'll be picking almost all. Try to pick almost all. Just leave little. Now, foot. Okay, so see what I will do. I'm gonna take it from the back of her hair. Okay. Okay, so please hold both sides for me. Okay. Just hold this side. Alright, now guys, see what I will do. Leave this side. I'm going to arrange this one properly. Watch. I'm going to arrange it properly. This is how I interpret the style. Now the style is on the screen for you all to see. So let's see.
Yeah, let's go.
Right, so the style is on the screen for you all to see. Now I've achieved it this way. So what I'll do, she will hold it, then you keep on arranging it forward. Watch you. Keep on arranging it forward. So now see. I pleated almost everything. So what I would do, I'll adjust it again, like pleat it a bit forward. Now guys, you see. So I'll start arranging it like this. Hello, I folded it to see what I did like this. After arranging it, I folded it this way. But now what I want to do is I want to create fan. Watch. You can place it like this so that you see what you are doing. You arrange. Watch. You pick this one, you arrange. And you pick this one, you arrange. Now this is what I think that's how they did it. So you pick this one, you arrange. So you pick like this, you arrange, start breaking your fan, break your fan. Now with what we have seen, this is it. Now you see we folded it, then we made some few fans. Guys, you can see what we have here. So she will just hold here for me while I arrange this one. Okay, I'm gonna arrange it. Okay, so sorry. When you arrange it, see what you do. You hold it here. See, please move your hand and hold it to side. Move your hand. Sorry there. See now, what you do, you hold it to side. Then see.
Let's go.
Okay, so please just let me hold it. Alright, now the problem I'm having, I should have used this one to create this. Because why? I'm more comfortable with pleating fan this way. But you know what will happen? I will try. So what we start doing, see, I'm arranging every pleat. Watch. You can see me arranging every pleat. But please, for those of us that are right-handed, I think using this one to create this would be easier for you. But now, whenever I'm doing my rows, I always like turning around. You can see I'm making everything. Now see what we do, we'll break a fan. Okay, then we continue going. We'll go, and again, we break a fan. Guys, see what we're doing. We arrange, please come this way to let us see. We'll keep arranging it. Then, once we arrange, what do? We'll break another fan. You get? So, we'll arrange again to the down. Should be at the down. Then, what do? We'll break the fan again. So once we get to this place, all we can do now is twist. Now please come to the back, let me pin. Okay, so I can pin it to this one. Oh, please, sorry there. Alright, so I can pin, then I'll pin down here. Look at it. You just try to pin anywhere you know it will be secured. You get? So I'm pinning down. Alright. Now, the reason you see this fan small, okay, the reason is because I used the wrong hands. Yeah, I used the wrong hands, so I couldn't make a better plate. And I work better with my right, so I would have done it this way instead of this way. So now I'm gonna arrange it. So you see, this fan is supposed to be big. This fan is supposed to be big, like big. So you can all see. So this is it. This is it. But see what will happen now. Let me try to make it a bit bigger. Let me try to make it a bit bigger. You have seen bigger. If I want to make it a bit bigger, I will pleat less, then I'll break my fan, then I'll arrange more. I'll break fan. Yeah, so I think this will be bigger. For that one, I think I pleated too much. So okay, so we're still gonna twist. I think this is bigger than the first one. Alright, so guys, just see how I pinned the first time. I think I pinned down here. Now see, you know the way we always pin is to touch down and go back up. Normally these ties are normally good in wig, but if you don't have a wig, you just use this one to cover up. You cover here, cover here. Alright, now look up. Okay, I don't go on there. So this is it. This is it. So this is tie. So with what I'm showing you on screen now, so rate it. It's giddy try. This is the giddy way. So you all know how I normally tie my gele. Once I tie, I try to maintain the back. So you do the back that way. Try to maintain it. So this is like the giddy way. This is my own way. I thought the style is done. So you do your rating. Please share and comment the country or state you are watching from. Merry Christmas in advance and a prosperous New Year. Thank you.